maybe try to promote this bar a little bit. So she was just telling me that's the owner right there. She was telling me that she has 8 bars. So maybe I'll just I'll see if I can interview her, and then we're gonna walk around a little bit, and we might come back here later. So.
我收了30。Kashgar, China, way out in western China, as you can see, and we're right near the old city. So we're gonna be filming right in this area. And without further ado, you know where we're at now. Let's just get right there as if you're there yourself. A little slice of western China for you.
So we're gonna go through and kind of film everything a little bit, and then we'll probably come by later. But yeah, actually I found out that she's actually the owner of the bar, so we'll probably come back later and talk. But I think she has some other people that she's with right now. And let's have a bar over here too. So we're definitely going to explore some more, and then it's kind of a cool little space. I'm just going to step in real quick. That's really cool. So we're going to just keep on strolling by, just kind of checking out the whole city a little bit. So really cool. Okay. So yeah, this one had like a lot of live music. Actually, I kind of want to go through one more time. There's another one on the other side that I need to see. Oh, maybe we shouldn't go by yet. But it's kind of cool because there's some other stuff in there. I'll try to film it later. But they have some kind of go by a little bit. There's another bar here too. But they have another bar on the other side of that I kind of want to see because they had some live music the other day. I think there might be another way to it. I kind of hate to go through the same way again and again. Hello, how are you guys? Hello. I don't speak Chinese. We American. So. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know, I can't speak, but I'll see you guys. So, okay, so we're gonna keep on strolling down, and we're gonna kind of meander about. You got another one of them again. So, okay, so we're gonna go down that way. Actually, I'm gonna kind of check out some of this other stuff too. Just kind of see. These really nice little courtyards. Okay, so what we're gonna try to do is go around the back way. Okay, so stay tuned. So we're gonna try to go down this little alley and see where it goes. It's a tiny little alley. It's kind of quiet. It looks a little bit residential. Like this looks like maybe people live in these homes. And I'm seeing more kids with their school uniforms, which means they probably live inside the city as well. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Ni hao. I don't know. I can't speak Chinese, but. Okay, so we're gonna keep on. I don't know if we can go all the way down that way, or if we should go down this way. I guess we'll go down. I don't know if I'm getting into people's houses or if I can't really tell. Anyways, we'll figure it out and I'll let you know. Looks like there's people's houses, but looks like there's a refrigerator, which I don't know. Don't know. I think it's like houses in here. So I think we might end up back at the main street again. Look. I don't know. Feels like people's homes. Let's see if we can. We're gonna try to meander. I don't know if we're gonna find. I think we're gonna go back to that music again. If I do, it's interesting because I'll have came around the other side, which is kind of what I wanted to do. Because there's some other stuff I want to share with you too, and it gets more interesting that nighttime. Yeah, it's funny. Oh yeah. So yeah, that's the same spot right down that way. So I end up going around it. But I'm going to I want to look at a few other things because right above us right now there's a one that I heard live music. Hello. Your name is? Hello. So up here it sounds like recorded music today, but I think yesterday I was hearing live music. Okay, so we're gonna meander through a little bit more. Oh, they got bread right there. Those. Okay. I think I hear some music in here, maybe some live music. Let's see. Oh yeah. Very cool. So a lot of nice decor everywhere. There's another one called Muse. Coffee shop. Homestay. Somebody was telling me that there's like a homestay street, which I think this might be the homestay street. Because I keep seeing the word homestay. I think that's another homestay as well. It's a photographer getting ready to do some photo shoot. These little alleys. way looks pretty intriguing, but just kind of go back, take a look. And we're gonna go down this way. Because I kind of see more of the costume. It's really cool in there. I think they're all doing photography. He's doing a little bit of camera. I need to see. Can you try to sleep by here? I've been kind of mesmerized by this shop. It's such a beautiful shop. Saffron. Beautiful name too. Okay. We're just filming. Got lots of people filming here. Okay, so I think we're gonna have to come to another ending. Have a taste of Kashgar. Okay. Somebody's yelling over there. Yeah, that's one thing I noticed is the people that live here, they don't really yell. But a lot of the Han Chinese tourists will, not a lot, but there's some of them that yell. So that guy was yelling quite a bit there. Like yelling in the bathrooms. Okay, anyways. And I think on that note, we're gonna be, I guess we're gonna come to an end for our video. It's another little slice of the city. Okay. So we'll end it right there.